Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you this eyeshadow makeup look. I used the Natasha Denona Glam Palette because it is just so good. I did rearrange my shadows to have all the matte on this side and then the darker shimmers on this side and then the lighter shimmers on this side. It is just so cool. This is how the palette looks like before I rearranged it. And this lighting is very natural. It's right in front of the window. I always want to show you the real colors without any harsh lighting like the ring light. And this is how the back looks like. And this is how it compares to the bronze palette. As you can see, it is more neutral to cool. And here are some swatches for you. I put all the mattes on the right side. I did the swatches after I rearranged it. So as you can see, the mattes are all together from light to darkest, and then the shimmers are next to those. And the darker ones are on the left side. Alright, so let's go ahead and go into the makeup look. First, I am using the Shikuhodo GSN10 brush, and I am taking the blend shade from the palette. This would be called blend, not center eyelid. And I am placing this on my crease, basically as my transition color. I am placing that all over the crease, a little bit up and a little bit down and a little bit all around, and basically all over my crease. And I am doing the same thing on the right side. I love this brush. It is huge and it makes applying so fast. Next, I am taking Shikuhodo, and this is called the Z5. I usually use this to further blend my eyeshadow colors because sometimes it can get stuck somewhere in my crease with my hooded lids. And next, I am taking the Refer 01. And I am taking the shade Smoke, which is the fourth darkest color of the mattes, and I'm placing that seriously like in my crease. And I'm just using the windshield swiping motion, and I'm placing that on the outer V as well and kind of like winging it out. Next, I am taking the brush Sonia G Soft Shader, and I'm taking the darkest color, which is called a Lash Line, and I am placing that more on the outer V. You guys, this brush is awesome for the outer V of your eyes because it is so precise and you can wing it out even more. This brush is way better than the other one for this purpose, and you can blend it too after you're done picking it on the outer V, and then kind of twist it a little bit and then blending it to the crease so it doesn't look so harsh. And then I'm using this Shikuhodo brush to just further blend things out. And then I am taking this shimmery brown shade, and this is called the outer eyelid on the bottom row, and I am placing that on top of the darkest matte shade that I did earlier. Next, I'm taking the Sonia G shader brush, and I am taking the shade called Center Eyelid. This is on the first row, first shade. And I'm just applying that all over on my eyelid, like the center of the eyelid, and then even like in the inner corner, and basically just wherever there's lid space left. And I'm taking the soft shader brush by Sonia G again, and I'm blending those two colors together using the Refer 01 to blend the crease shade together all over. If you guys have problems with your shimmer shades from sticking, and you don't want to use your fingers, because sometimes we don't want to do that, right? This Sonia G flat definer, not shader, flat definer, the mini baby thing just packs such baby punches. I swear, it's so good. You guys got to try it. And then I'm just further blending. What else? And then I'm taking the inner corner shade with Refer 02, and I'm placing that on my brow bone. This shade didn't move, stayed the same. And then finally, I'm taking the two darkest shades together for my lower lash line, and I'm using the soft shader brush, you guys. This brush is awesome. You guys should try it. It's awesome for lower lash line, for the outer V, and connecting those two colors together. It is so awesome. And if you don't know, this feels so soft. It's like my bunny's furry butt. And then I'm taking the blend shade, the third darkest color of the matte to blend the lower lash line colors because, I don't know, I feel like it makes me feel better to diffuse them some more. That's all my reason. Oh, and then I'm using the same shade that I used for my brow bone in my inner corner. I love the pinky tones for it, and I believe it matches with my lid color, just slightly lighter, you know. And then the liquid eyeliner. This is the Stila Micro Tip Liquid Eyeliner, and I have no problems putting this on when I'm not on camera, but when I'm on camera, it's just like, oh my gosh, like what is going on here? I notice that I keep moving from here to there, angle, a different angle. Do you guys struggle putting on your eyeliner like I do? Please tell me I am not the only one. Okay, false lashes time. This is the Naked Lashes by Ardell, and this is the number 422. But I am using the House of Lashes lash glue. And then I also forgot my tweezers in my bedroom, so this was also a struggle. Oh my gosh, this nails. How do you guys do this? But luckily I did put it on, and after that I was able to kind of like finish up my eye look because I wanted the darker color again to match with the way my wing is angling, and I love the way it looks. I believe I used like 8 brushes for my eye look. Anyways, let's move on to the lips. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense to line my lips. This is super dark. I love this color. It is, I want to say it's like brownie, but then it has like a plummy undertone to it. It is really gorgeous. Her lip liners are my favorite. It stays on all day, and you guys, every time I try to take this off, you need like an oil cleanser. And I am using this Wayne Goss lip brush just to make sure that it is nice and precise. You know, this is really nice. I love how small it is. Then I'm pairing that with Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense lipstick. This is the satin finish, so it's not matte. And I love how this feels on the lips. Like with dark colors, you could probably like worry that it's patchy, but since this is like a satin finish, it is a very forgiving and it's so easy to apply. And then again, I am using the lip brush to make everything nice and precise. Okay guys, that is the finished look. I am very happy with the outcome, and I'm very happy that I'm done. Time to fix my hair, fluff them up. Actually, you know what? That looks crazy. Let's put it back. I am so happy with this palette. I believe it is one of my very good purchases from the sale. Such an easy palette to use, and it looks so good with this lipstick. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comments below if you got a chance to snag the Glam palette during the VIB or Rouge sale, the Sephora sale. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!